This tutorial uses IBM App Connect to connect your Slack messages with Mailchimp so that you can instantly sign people up to mailing lists. To start off with, we're going into Mailchimp and creating the list where we're going to sign people up. We're calling this one our coding event list. So just going to set it up how we'd like and save it. Great, that's been created. Now off to App Connect. And we're going to create a new event-driven flow. So the first thing we'll do is name our flow. So this is our mailing list sign-up flow. And then we're going to add our first application, so just finding Slack. We've connected to Slack before, so what we need from this bit is our callback URL. So we've copied that to the clipboard and we're going to use that in Slack. So we've gone across to Slack now, and we are looking for the /commands integration, and we're going to go and set that up. So we're going to type in /contact because that's the command that we want some action to take place in Slack, and then we'll paste in the URL that we copied out of App Connect. I'm going to save this integration. So hopefully that's it. Now we're going back to App Connect to add in Mailchimp. So we find our Mailchimp. So we're adding a subscriber to a list in Mailchimp. So this is for the coding event. So in email address, we're going to go and find the message body from our Slack message, and that's the email address that we're going to sign up. And then we just finish that, that's running. And we can go over to Slack and see this at work. I'm going to add a new message into Slack with our /contact and then the contact address that we want to add to the mailing list. And then let's go and see if that worked. That's great, our coding event now has a subscriber, and there's Joe, who we just subscribed to our mailing list.